I'm here with this hanging organizer for your wardrobe, and let's unbox this and see how easy this is to set up and what the quality is. So I'm very eager to see. Here is like the little bag that it came in, and oh, okay, so these are the hangers. It feels pretty sturdy, it's metal. Feels pretty sturdy to me, and then it should unfold to a large hanger. Oh, this way around, because of course you put these at the back, and then you have a pretty long hanger here that you can put in your wardrobe and then just put all your stuff in. So it's a quite thin material, as you can see. My light shines through it, so it's quite thin, but this will do just fine. It has these pockets here on the side where you can put stuff in, and this just gives you extra space for your clothes if you have a lot of hanging space, or if you chose the one wardrobe for like your needs with too much hanging space and not enough space for your clothes. So pretty cool, and yeah, it's sturdy enough. This will definitely work. You can easily fold this back in if you don't need it. Just folds right up and you can immediately use this. So I really recommend.